Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to lock or unlock your Midea AC Remote Control if the buttons have stopped working or if you see the lock icon on the display. So first of all, you need to simply take a look at the remote's display. If you are seeing the padlock icon on top of your display, it simply means the child lock feature is enabled, which is going to basically prevent the buttons from being pressed. Now on most of the Midea remote controls, you just have to simply press the up and the down arrow buttons. Basically these are the temperature buttons together for at least 3 seconds, and the lock will disappear and all the buttons will work normally again. To enable the child lock, you just have to press and hold these two buttons again together for at least 3 seconds again, and the padlock icon will appear on the display confirming that the remote is now locked. So that's how you can basically lock and unlock your Midea AC remote control. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.